Hello everyone. So if you want to scan documents on your iPhone 12 Pro, you are to open up your notes. So locate your notes. Now at the bottom right corner, find this add note icon, tap on it. Here we gotta press this little icon and choose scan document. Now let's take any object or any document. I will be scanning this towel. Now simply bring it onto the screen, right? And tap on the shutter button. Now you can rearrange it, you can crop it if you want to, you can press retake if you do not like the result, and press keep scan. Now you can keep on scanning. However, if you're satisfied with everything, press save and you will get your scanned document here. You can send it directly, simply press send at the top right corner. You can send it to your contacts, through your AirDrop, through your Messenger, whatever you're using for. And basically that's it. It will be always in your notes, so you can always find it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.